It's time for a Trader Joe's haul, and it's the best kind of Trader Joe's haul because it's the holidays. I'm Megan.
I'm eating.
Let's do it.
I went to Trader Joe's last night with the actual, like...
Oh, the Fearless Flyer?
Yes. Do you read that? When
I do. It brings me such joy.
So do I. I feel like such a dummy. But whoever writes it the way that I would write it. So I feel very connected to whoever
their
the
copywriters are great.
Totally. And so literally, like, I sat in the car and looked at it, and then I hit the Trader Joe's. So I knew what I was looking for, but I just didn't know where they were exactly at in the store.
Sometimes it tells you in the flyer, like, find these in the freezer case. Find these.
Oh, I thought you were, like, specific in the...
Oh, no, because they're all laid out so differently. They have all that stuff up above that's like, you better know where it is in your Trader Joe's because you'll never find it in another one.
Exactly, because you mentioned these cherries. I was like, what cherries are you talking about? Where are those at that you found those cherries?
They're in the canned section. They're in a jar, but they're in, like, where all the cans are.
No idea. Okay. So I got a few things, and we're going to try a few things, and we're going to show you what Trader Joe's has to offer right now.
Yes.
This is the winter wassail.
Wassail?
I don't know how you say it. I don't even know what it is. This is a drink somebody drinks.
It's an old English drink accompanied by rituals believed to influence a plentiful apple harvest.
Are you reading
the following year?
I was like, where are you coming from, Wikipedia?
You can see the stuff on the bottom. It smells spicy. Like, it smells like...
But it looks like a fancy cocktail when you drink it out of this. I mean, I would, if you were like...
Well, yeah, you can add, what did it say to add to it?
You can add wine to it, or like your...
Oh, like a red wine on the stove. We had a mulled wine when we were in Ireland, and it was really good.
So
it was a hot wine.
Ooh, that sounds terrible.
Oh, it's good.
It reminds me of a tea.
It's very spicy, not in the hot sense, but like you can smell like allspice and nutmeg.
It tastes warm.
Yes.
Right.
It's a sipping drink, not a chugging drink.
Certainly would not. Yeah.
Kind of tastes like a candle. Does it smell like this? Does it taste like this?
Yep, exactly. Pretty dang close. Okay, all right. We're not going to open this because this is a hot commodity. You guys, if you did not get your Trader Joe's advent calendar, you're out of luck because they are long gone.
Are they?
Yes, I bought this in November. I just had it laying around. So.
And haven't opened it?
Well, I bought 4.
It's December 5th. I bought 4 of them. Oh. Just in case?
Yeah, because I was like, who wants one? Like thinking like, I'm going to send them
to the highest bidder.
I know, I like to resell stuff, so. But, no, my daughter opened like the first one a couple days ago. She's like, can I open all of them? And I was like, well, go ahead, but save me one because I need it for a video. So anyway.
So she opened day 1 on all 3 of them.
Yeah.
I see, not all 24 days.
No,
I understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she's eating 3 days worth.
I mean, it's a small piece of chocolate.
Yeah, anyway. These have been gone for a long time though. They're 99 cents. So when you see them, you need to buy them. But they are
at Halloween, yeah.
Basically right after Halloween. Have you ever seen these before? This is the Trader Joe's soft honey nougat with almonds. I love nougat.
Me too. Do you remember a big hunk?
I do, but are those chewy? Like,
yeah, they're like, they're hard on your teeth.
Yeah, okay, let's try these.
All right.
This contains nuts, so obviously if you don't eat nuts, don't get these, but they're individually wrapped. Look how cute these are.
Oh my gosh.
Stop it right now.
So cute in a candy bowl.
Oh my gosh, have one.
Oh, they're soft. They're softer than a big hunk. A big hunk will like rip your teeth out.
I don't know if these are holiday or they gotta be, right? What if you dip these in chocolate? Ooh, you can make your own big hunk. Right? Oh.
Big hunk has no chocolate on it. Big hunk is nougat and nuts.
It's not dipped in chocolate? Which one is that? You know, there's one that's dipped in chocolate.
I don't know.
Okay.
These are good.
They are good.
Oh my god.
I like these.
They're like light and fluffy while also being chewy.
And
they don't stick in your teeth.
These are a huge win.
Yeah.
These are so good. These are so at Megan's house.
Oh my gosh, nuts about rosemary mix. The nuts, the rosemary, the crunch, the flavor, it's all here in this can. These are just seasoned mixed nuts, but you dump them out in a bowl for a party. You guys know that it's not a party at my house if there's not a bowl of nuts. I am a fan of the classic cocktail peanut, but this really does step it up a notch.
Open those, I want to smell them.
And this is another thing that you could totally gift, like dump it out of the can into like a cute container and say you made them yourself.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Oh, that smells good. A little rough on the heels of the sweet nougat, but
You still have that nougat on your palate, huh?
I had to taste one, sorry.
Ooh, those smell delicious.
They're very good. Salty,
I'm gonna have one in a minute.
the rosemary,
Oh, that's fattening. Sorry. They're for a party.
yum.
Which one did you have?
I had the walnut.
I didn't see walnuts in there.
It's because I ate them both.
There's a walnut. No, that's a pecan. Are you sure you have walnuts?
No, maybe I had
No.
pecan.
Almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, pecans.
Then I had a pecan.
They are gingerbread crisps. No, wait for it. I'm going to
Okay.
get something from our other video. This is what it said to do in the Fearless Squire is to pair your gingerbread crisps with one of these jellies.
That's a good idea.
That's a good gift too. You think so?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to try some? Which one did you want to try?
God, the strawberry.
Okay,
But the
let's do
fig
it.
might be good too. Which one do you want to try?
Any
Would you
of
like a
them.
spoon?
Sure. Okay, so
God, this is another great party
strawberry
food.
and champagne, fig and port, and then apricot and brandy. So let's do strawberry. Crisp, savory, sweet cracker with a hint of crystallized ginger and spice to complement cheese, spreads, dips, and toppings.
No, these are good.
These are good. That jam is pretty good.
Uh-huh.
It's the mini dark chocolate mint coins. I thought they were a Girl Scout knockoff.
They are, but they're smaller.
They're smaller.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open them.
Like a coin size. As
That's
opposed
what
to
they
a
say.
Cookie
Coins.
size.
I thought I saw this and I was like, I just saw them on the I don't know if they're new or not new. You obviously say that they're not.
I know.
They've been tossed around a bit, eh?
The chocolate flavor is more intense in these than in a Thin Mint, in my opinion. There's no Thin Mint replacement. The Girl Scouts are safe.
Next up, we're not trying these because they're dog treats.
I didn't know they sold dog treats at Trader Joe's.
Can you please go down each aisle? I don't think she knew that there was beauty items there either until I had to tell her about that.
Charlie, you want a treat?
Oh,
Come here, buddy. Come here. You want a treat? Come here.
Look at they look like little gingerbreads. This is.
Oh, I saw that. I'm sorry.
You saw it where?
At
At
Trader
Trader
Joe's.
Joe's. Did you buy it?
No,
I mean, this is up your alley.
it really is.
Chocolate peppermint almond beverage. Smooth and creamy non-dairy beverage made with rich cocoa and peppermint flavor. So if you want your mocha.
Yeah, is that what it's meant to be? Or are you meant to drink it like chocolate peppermint milk?
Oh, gross. I don't know.
It's the perfect drink for the holidays, it says. I think this is just meant to be like peppermint chocolate milk.
We need to take a drink of it then.
Oh, Wendy doesn't like it. It smells like chocolate mint milk. Do you like chocolate milk?
I do.
It tastes like chocolate mint milk.
It's creamy.
Yeah, if you like chocolate milk,
Can't you make coffee with this? I think you can.
I'm sure you could totally
like
make
that.
coffee with this. Yes.
It's good.
Because you could put it in like a smoothie, right? Like
Hey, that's not a bad idea. That's not a bad
I
idea.
don't know what else you put in there with it though.
I like that smoothie idea.
Woo! Yes!
Okay.
Baby, show
First
me.
up is the peppermint bark popcorn.
This is so weird. Is it peppermint bark coated popcorn? Because it's balls. It's not like peppermint kernels.
I believe
I
it
mean,
is.
excuse me,
It's-
popcorn kernels.
It's coated popcorn. Is it white chocolate? Caramel popcorn coated in dark chocolate and enrobed in a white chocolate and peppermint candy coating.
No.
We're doing
Don't
it.
make me do it. Smells delicious.
Okay, have
it
one.
smells like a pepperminty marshmallow, actually.
They had a bunch of those too.
All right, it's okay. I like the saltiness
Mm-hmm.
mixed with the chocolate.
The caramel is like, he was like, where's my gingerbread
more
cookie?
cookies for you.
Trader Joe's Scandinavian Tidings, soft and chewy gummy candy in holiday shapes.
Oh, like they're Scandinavian swimmers, like they're Swedish fish, but
yeah,
it's
those
not.
are not good. These are bow Swedish fish. And these are champagne gummy candies.
Are we trying these?
Yes!
Oh, I got one of each. Those look super phallic. They look like a champagne bottle, but a floppy champagne bottle is not a great look. They're really, really strong. So I'm like, Charlie, do
Oh
not
my God.
walk in there.
Look at this floppy
Do
one.
not.
What is that?
They taste good.
Oh, they
They smell really strong, but they taste good. The brew is good.
Oh, I think I had the rosé.
I like these.
I could not eat a whole bunch of these.
I couldn't either, but I don't think they're too strong. I've had other champagne gummies that make me like,
Yeah, me too.
these aren't like the
These
sugar
are
peanut
a
ones.
product of France too.
No,
What about that?
that's where they get the
champagne
actual champagne.
Mhm.
That's how they can use that name. Guys, happy holidays. Thank you for joining us in our Countdown to Christmas series. We've got more videos coming at you.
Yeah,
So make sure to click the link to our playlist so you can see each and every single one of them to get you in the holiday mood. And we will see you in another video very soon.
Bye.